Stop being a secret agent. Hi everyone, I'm down here in Bethany Beach, Delaware. Just came off the beach with my family. We've been coming down here for about 21 years now. And I was thinking today about a conversation I had last week with one of my agents where I told him to stop being a secret agent. He wasn't doing anything with geographic farming. He wasn't doing a lot of marketing. He wasn't really involved in anything in the community. And I told him about our event that we have coming up here in a couple weeks with the Trade a Can for a Cone, a community event. And in our Ultimate Real Estate Success Blueprint, one of the lead generation pillars that I have there is about community, about getting involved with the community. For over the last 20 years, I've been involved in a lot of different organizations. We sponsor a lot of organizations, but also get involved in a lot of these organizations. The big one that we have coming up is on September 24th. For the Children's Hospital at Albany Medical Center. We're going to be having our 13th annual golf event at the Edison Club in Rexford. And that's, again, going to be Monday, September 24th. You can go to mirandagolfevent.com for more details on that. But the one that we have coming up here in a couple weeks is something that I started a few years back called Trade a Can for a Cone, and it's for the local food pantry here in Clifton Park. And what we did is that we went ahead and rented an ice cream truck. We call it Mr. Dingaling. I know it's for some people that I talk to about around the country, they find humor in that. But for everyone in the Capital District, you know what I'm talking about. And they come around with the ice cream truck with the music going on. All the kids are running out. It's a popular scene here in the summer. But what we do is we rent it out for a few hours and we go out into the neighborhood and trade give everyone ice cream if they give us a canned good for the food pantry. And how we set that up, and I'll put a copy of it here below, is that we send out postcards, we send out emails. We have a lot of clients that are already in that area. It's about a 300 plus home farm that I use. And you know, a few years back, I mean, when I first started, I wanted to get more involved in that community, into that neighborhood. And we do a lot of different things, and this is one that's been very, very popular. I'm going to do a live Facebook probably sometime, it's going to be on August 15th, sometime around 6, 7 o'clock when we're actually doing it, just to show you what we're doing. But we have the ice cream truck, we follow it with our own truck behind, and it's a great event. We raise a lot of canned goods for the local food pantry, and it's something that is a way to give back. It's a way to put people into your database. And from it, you know, the whole law of reciprocity is that these people do appreciate it. And I picked up a lot of good clients over the last few years. One recently that we just closed on a couple weeks ago is with Scott and Janice Germain. We met them at the actual event. They thought it was a great idea. They thanked us for doing it. And when it came time for him selling us their home 2 years later, they gave us a call. We've had our intern that we picked up there, Olivia, a couple weeks ago. She just finished her summer internship with us. We picked her up at the last event that we had, the ice cream truck event that we had. She came up and gave us some cans. We got talking, and she told me that she was looking for an internship, and it was a great find. But the point of this whole video is for you guys to get involved. Stop being that secret agent. You got to get out there. And so many agents I talk to are just finding it too easy just to buy leads on Zillow, Realtor.com. But you have to deepen the relationships with your database. You have to reach out and call them. If you're doing geographic farms, you want to get out there and do something for the community to give back. So that's my message for today. I hope you found it to be of value. And wherever you're watching this video, scroll down, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, and let's go get them this week. Thank you.